This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a digital card with Bank of America. First, ensure you have the Bank of America mobile banking app installed on your smartphone. Once downloaded, simply log in using your existing online banking username and password. From the main menu, you'll want to navigate to the Manage Cards section. This is where you'll find the option to add your eligible cards to your digital wallet. After selecting Manage Cards, choose the specific Bank of America debit or credit card you wish to digitize. You'll then be prompted to select your preferred digital wallet service, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. The app will guide you through a few simple steps to verify your card details and confirm your identity. This usually involves a quick text message or email verification. Using your new digital card is incredibly convenient. When you're ready to make a purchase, simply look for the contactless payment symbol at the checkout terminal. This symbol looks like 4 curved lines. Then, hold your smartphone or smartwatch near the terminal. You'll typically need to authenticate the transaction with a fingerprint, Face ID, or a quick PIN entry for security. It's a fast and secure way to pay. Digital cards provide robust security, including tokenization, which replaces your actual card number with a unique, encrypted number for each transaction. This significantly reduces the risk of fraud. Plus, the convenience of touch-free payments at millions of locations worldwide is a huge benefit. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Some Little Tree's black ice for your car, along with other great deals. It's a smart and secure way to manage your finances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.